This video is going to cover how to get started with AWS Educate. AWS Educate was originally meant to be a platform for high school and college students so they can have access to the AWS platform, AWS console, without requiring a credit card information. In 2022, it was released so pretty much anybody can log in and utilize AWS Educate to improve their cloud computing skills. Now, because, in my opinion, I think because of the original concept for AWS Educate, being limited, it's a little clumsy getting registered for a free account. So I'm going to show you how to go ahead and get that done. So I'm in Amazon.com/education/AWS Educate, or you can usually just do a Google search for AWS Educate and it'll take you to this page. So what we're going to do, we're going to register now. And it's a really simple form. I'm going to go ahead and fill it out. And United States. Because the reason they ask for like your date and, your month and your year of birth is because you have to be either 13 or 14 to do this. For my email, I'm going to use Tech Reformers email because I've not used that yet. Registration code, it says it's optional, don't worry about it. Go ahead and click there and create an account. So that's fine. There's no problems with that. It's the steps after that where sometimes it can be a little clumsy. So I utilize this as a supplemental resource for whenever I'm teaching AWS. Using AWS Academy or AWS Restart or none of the above. And and for some students it works seamlessly. They'll get the email, get the notification, it works perfect. And some it does not. So we're going to go through the process and see what it looks like, and I'll show you how to get over the little hurdles that may come up when it just doesn't work seamlessly. So I'm going to go ahead and go to my email. Okay, trust the content, then verify the email. Go back to, there it is. That's what I was wanting to see, that pop up. So, verify the email, and if you have a pop-up blocker, that may be creating an issue. Open link in a new tab. There we go. Okay, so the email is now verified. Alright, so we did that. Okay, so that is done. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and go to sign in. Now you may be wondering, I didn't get a password. I know you didn't get a password. And again, that's when things just are kind of a little clunky. Tasha at techreformers.com, and we're going to actually forgot password, and then we're going to put your email in again, send password. Okay, now we go back to our email, refresh it. There it is. Click here. And now we're going to enter our password. You can choose to do that or not. And that's it. You're in AWS Educate. So in future videos, I'll go a little bit more about the details of AWS Educate, but you now have a free AWS Educate account that you can explore, learn, and do all the cool things with AWS. Let me know if you have any questions. Feel free to reach out. Thank you.